We're being told to calculate the standard deviation. We just need to know the formula we use in calculating standard deviation. We say that standard deviation is simply the square root of summation of fx squared divided by summation of f minus summation of fx divided by summation of f, then we square. This is the formula that you need to know when you are doing standard deviation. This is a simplified formula. So you just need to know this column divided by this column, then this column, summation of this column divided by summation of this column, and then we square. So let us come up with another table. We rearrange that this table. We are going to have, these are the values of x. So we're going to have x is 5, this one is 6, this one is 7, this one is 8, and this one is 9. Then we come up with f, which is 3, 8, 9, 6, 4. So from there, we try and get fx. We can start with fx because here we have summation of fx. So we can come up with that column. So we just multiply 5 times 3. That gives us 15. 6 times 8 gives you 48. This one will give you 63. This one will be 48, and this one will be 36. When you sum up that one, you're supposed to get 210. Then we need to come up with another column because this one here, when you add this column, gives you 30. So the final column, maybe you can come up with, you can square x squared, square those values. So when you square those values, we start with square x. This will be 25. This one will be 36, this one will be 49, this one will be 64, and this one will be 81. So then we need to come up now with the column of f multiplied by x squared. This one will give us this column. So we can multiply now this column and this column here. If you do so, you're going to have 3 times 25 gives us 75. Then we have 8 times 36 will give you 288. 9 times 49, you get 441. Then you have 6 times 64, we get 384. Then we have 4 times 81, you get 324. When you sum up that column, you get it is 15, 12. That is the summation of that column. So going back to our formula, this is what you need, and then this is the formula. So going back here, we're going to say standard deviation is going to be summation of this column. So you check this column here, it is this one here, which is 15, 12. We're going to have 15, 12. Divided by summation of f. F is 30. Then minus summation of this column. This column is fx, which is 210. We divide by summation of f, which is 30. Then you're supposed to square this one. Then we square root everything. That is how we do it. So we're going to have, when you simplify this one, 512 divided by 30, you get it is 50.4. Then 210 divided by 30, then you square, you get it is 49. So you square root this one, we're going to have the square root of 1.4. So this one will give us 1.1832 as our standard deviation. And that is how we approach that question. Thank you for watching.